Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this magnetic two-way charging. It's a magnetic wireless charging battery pack. It's 5000 mAh. So we're gonna see if it actually works or not. Oh, this right here is the coolest. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is the coolest wireless charging pack that I've ever seen. I sure hope it performs how it looks, guys. So they give you the charging cable to charge this and also a manual. Guys, check this out. I'll show you it up close. Look at that. That is so awesome, guys. And on the back here, it looks like there's a pocket. Let's see if I'm right here. Oh. Okay. No, it's a stand. What? It's a stand. What? That is awesome. So, you can have your phone laying flat or on the stand. Look at that, guys. So, it could be on a stand or flat. So cool. Okay guys, you have your power button on the side here, and when you press it, a little red light lights up, and then you can also charge it right here with the Type-C cable that they provide you. And that's it. I mean, let's see. First, will it work through a case? We'll know because our phone will make an effect once it's charging. There we go. It did the effect. Let's see if we slide it around. Lift it up, put it back down. Charging wirelessly. There we go. Let's go ahead and set it up right now. See how it will hold. Yeah, so it's gonna have a problem holding a phone because there's nothing to. Yeah, there's nothing to. Oh, there we go. So there it did it. You kind of gotta position it in a certain way for it to work. Let's try like that. Yeah, I think it's gonna be best flat because the phone wants to slide away from it. But still, guys, this is cool. So, again, you just place your phone on. Yeah, and it's charging right away. Shows the charging icon, and it says charging wirelessly. So, it works, guys. That's awesome. That is the coolest. I mean, that is awesome. It works. It charges. It looks super awesome. Wow. Check out your manual for more features, guys, because that is sweet.